How to fix Messenger theme create AI option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Messenger. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Messenger. Now make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now after updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on the device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now tap on the search bar and type Messenger. Then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Then click on Messenger. Now tap on force stop. Then go to storage uses. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete and restart Messenger. I hope this should fix the issue. If it's still not working, then maybe it's not available in your region. You might have to wait for a few updates. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.